Hello guys, Mehul here back again with another new video, and today's video is different, maybe or maybe not, but it's gonna be really cool and it's specifically for developers. So let's get directly to the video without wasting any time. So as you guys already know that I surf through Wave a lot, and this is how I found like tons of websites, tons of great websites, and this is something that like this is frame stack. So basically what they are doing is they are stacking all of the frameworks, maybe it's web development frameworks, maybe it's front end framework, back end framework, css framework, mobile api, anything. They basically made a database of all of those frameworks, and you can obviously search about frameworks here and to like view them and choose them. So it's really great. Like if you are a newbie and you don't know where to start, like not where to start from, you get a guide from someone or someone that can guide you, like get a mentor first, whatever. Still, if you want to discover some more frameworks and all, like this happens with all of us. At first we knew nothing, we were discovering some of the frameworks, like which one is better to use, which one can be used for everything, like which one to use for what and what not. So that's why this website is like discover new ways to build things. That's a great hook line, because this is what they are actually doing. This is actually the thing they are listing here. Obviously you can build things in a new way, with a new framework, obviously. So I was going through their searches, I not searches, I was going through their pages, and I came to know about something really great. Let me search it here. Okay. I think I should. Okay. Yeah. Moses. So I came to know about this great framework that is Moses. And Moses is basically an animation framework for web, and it's great. Like if I want to show you the examples of this can be a like dedicated video, so I'm not going into that. But yeah, this is basically the website. This is great. They have tons of frameworks listed in their website, and you can obviously see them in their website as well, and you can view it in every category. Like if you want to see webs, you can obviously see all of the web frameworks. If you want to go for mobile apps, you can see mobile. If you want to go for apis, they have apis also. So yeah, great. Uh, Developers out there, please visit this website. Like you will find some of the greatly inspiring frameworks out here, and you will definitely love it. I am like giving you 100%, 200% guarantee that you will find something that will just blow your mind, and obviously in your own genre. And that's how cool it is. Like yeah, here is the motions. Yeah, motion js, great. So please do visit this website. I will obviously put the link in the description. And if you like my contents in general, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you know about some of the great websites like this, or resources, apis, open source, design things, anything, please let me know about all of them in the comments so I can feature them in my future videos. So bye.